What's up, everybody? Welcome back here on the channel with something a little bit unusual. Normally I don't buy these Hot Wheels 5-packs because, at least in my opinion, they aren't very good. Normally you get a lot of fantasy cars or weird mixes, whatever. Sometimes I buy them when they are extremely reduced in price, but this time I made an exception because this could be the best Hot Wheels 5-pack of the year 2025, besides the upcoming Formula 1 set that I don't have yet. So yeah, let's take a look at this. This is the 2025 Nightburnerz set, and we get 4 licensed models with really nice deco. That's really exceptional. And one generic model that is, in my opinion, one of the best generic models from Hot Wheels. So let's take our models out and yeah, let's take a look at the models, and I will show you all the other versions that I have. And let's get started with this one, which is the 1987 Ford Sierra Cosworth with a beautiful deco, 87 on the hood. So yeah, it's from 1987, so seems logical, but the deco really beautiful, beautiful colors. I love the lensed headlights, which are of course part of these blue tinted windows. I also like the wheel choice, I have to say. And of course we are missing some deco on the back. I mean, really nice model. If this one yeah, had deco on the back would be perfect, but I mean, it's a mainline model. But it's really nicely done. Let me show you the other versions that I have. I think I have all of them. Always accept exclusives, like you know, in the US you get Kroger and Walmart exclusives that we don't have here in Europe. But anyways, I think the black one was the debut version, and afterwards we saw this yeah, blue variation. You know, that is something Hot Wheels often does. You get the same deco twice, and yeah, with a different base color. So yeah, these were the first 2 models, and a little later on we saw these 2 guys, also really nice with the golden rims. Yeah, so there we go. Really nice, the first model. As we go on with the Nissan Maxima drift car, also a very cool casting. Obviously heavily modified model. We get this transparent plastic here on the roof, the chrome interior, the Japanese lettering on the side. Guess that's saying Hot Wheels. We get a chrome bumper, black base. Bumper, of course, is part of the interior piece, but this one also a really nice version in this light blue metallic livery. Really nice. And of course I do have some other versions to show. I think the red one was the debut version, I'm not 100% sure, or the blue one, I really can't remember. So we started out with these 2 guys with the tri-spoke wheels, and then we saw, I think this is the coolest version so far, this guy here in Motul deco, also looking really nice with the dark gray tri-spokes and the Nissan lettering on the front splitter. So yeah, second car also really nice. Our third one is the 2020 Toyota GR Supra in, yeah, kind of a candy apple red. Black rims with the chrome ring. Yeah, this one also looks really nice. I think the wheel choice is really good. Saying Supra on the side. I have to say I don't have definitely I don't have all of the main line versions so far, but this white one here I think was the debut version, and afterwards there was a yellow version with the same deco, and then I have this red version. I think this was part of a then and now set, or you know, the mainline set. Sometimes you get these then and now models, and there also was kind of a version in the silver line. Yeah, I don't know where that is. Anyways, then look at this beauty. This is, yeah, once again, a generic model. This is the Diini Wioe. In my opinion, this definitely mimics an Italian sports car of the 1970s, you know, early Lamborghini, I would say, something in that direction. Yeah, this one's a real beauty, in my opinion. We get the chrome interior and this chrome hood with the Italian flag here on the side. A lot of, yeah, let's see, rally deco, the golden rims. So yeah, this definitely is a beauty, and yeah, definitely a reason why you should buy this 5-pack. And yeah, I can show you the other versions. I don't really know where it started. I think with these two here in red and blue. Comes with a, or they come with a lot of deco, castrol on the roof, Firestone on the hood and on the side. Really, really cool racing deco. You know that I'm a huge fan of racing deco. If you are a subscriber of this channel, what I definitely recommend, by the way. And then we had these two guys. I think they are not as good as the first two versions with these yellow rims, and this guy with these canny apple red rims. Looks a bit strange, but anyways, I really like the casting. So yeah, this is definitely a highlight. Beautiful version. Let's put that into the parking lot as we get to our last model of this really nice 5-pack, which is the Subaru WRX STI. And this one, yeah, comes in kind of a metallic pink. And yeah, what can I say? This thing looks really cool. The good thing is we get deco on the front, makes this thing look so much better. A little bit of deco on the side. The black rims are a good choice in my opinion. Yeah. No deco on the back, but yeah, this one looks really cool. So let's put this guy to the side, and there were a lot of versions, and I only have 3 versions, like this one here or this white version. And as you can see, both of them don't have any deco on the front, and yeah, that always looks a little bit strange in my opinion. Then I got this one here with the white 10 spokes, nothing on the back, but this one also has deco on the front. But yeah, definitely the highlight version is this guy here in pink. So as always, let's take a final look at our models, and yeah, as always, I'm picking a favorite, and I have to say it's really, really difficult this time. Interesting that I say this about Hot Wheels 5-pack. Never would have thought that, but yeah, it's really hard to decide. But I think it's really hard. But I think this one is my favorite. So they did a really, really great job on delivery. I like the chrome part here on the hood. Yeah, really nice. But the others also really, really good. So yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Happy hunting. See you next time. Bye.